Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add apps to the desktop in Windows 10. Let's get started. Right-click on your desktop. Click on Personalize. On the left side, you will see the option Themes. Click on it. On the right side, click on Desktop Icon Settings. A new window will appear showing different desktop icons. Check all the 5 options. Click on Apply, then click on OK, and close the window. Now you can see that all 5 icons have been added to your desktop. If you want to add any particular application to your desktop, click on the Windows icon. For example, if you want to add the Calculator app, simply drag and drop the calculator to your desktop. You can now see that the app has been added successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.